Well, good afternoon, everybody, or whatever time it is, wherever you're watching this video, because I know it changes all over the world. I'm just walking down the hill, the back part of our property, and that down to our fence line, and this is all below the dam. If I pan over here a little bit, you'll see our neighbor's field here, which they've been clearing off the last couple of weeks, and the word is this piece of property is going to be for sale. We'll try to get some more information on it as soon as we can. We'll post it because well, it's a pretty nice piece of property with a lot of coconut trees, mature, tall coconut trees. So somebody I'm sure may be interested out there in that, and like I said, they spent the last 2 weeks clearing it, but you can get an idea of the tall coconut trees that are here, the mature trees. And as I come down here, this has kind of been what we've been working on today, and that this is our property line right here. I've got it right in the middle of the screen, and you can see as it goes up to the road up on top where it's all cut, of course, is our property, and where it's not cut is our neighbors. And these rice fields, and there's 10 small ones here down below us, we rent from our neighbor. Now, we didn't plant this fall. We normally plant because we were really in a drought till the last part of November into December, and wow, just really too late to plant, because generally around the first part of February the rain stops here, and it's 3 months to grow a crop of rice. So we decided not to do it at the time. So what we're doing now is we're clearing all the weeds and everything else. We got the weed cutter down here, and we're cutting everything down, putting a border around it again, cutting all the shrubs. Like I said, the jungle wants to come back very fast, and with the rain that we've gotten the last couple of months, it definitely has come back with a vengeance. And that, so you can see part of it's already cut here, and we'll be picking up a lot of the cuttings and burning them. There's just too much woody stuff in there to really take the cutter to it and to go into the compost piles, and a lot of it, the weeds and the seeds, you know, we don't want in there anyway. So we'll be in the next probably day or two finishing up down here. We got a good start on it right now, so just wanted to kind of let everybody know what we're doing here. If I pan around slowly this way, and that back up to our piece up here, and that, and slowly walk, you can see at the top of the hill where I'm stepping over chunks of dirt, so I'm probably bouncing around quite a bit here. And back up the hill here, we've been also cleaning up there this morning, as you can see by the pile down here. And that there's no question that in order to keep ahead of the jungle, you really it's a never-ending job here, never-ending job to try to keep ahead of everything that wants to grow here. And it grows so fast, and especially now, like I said, the last 2 months we've had a lot of moisture. No rain for the last 4 or 5 days, which is about the longest stretch we've gone since December, and that. So kind of walking the back way, there's our basically the end of our property here. And of course the road that we've been working on cleaning up all this time, going down to our neighbors down there. And actually, I must admit, it looks pretty good. It was a mess, but like I said, it hadn't been cleaned for, oh gosh, probably 2 years or longer. So it's nice to get it cleaned up. And even the berm that we got here, like I said, all that is from when the grader came through here, oh, about 2 years ago, and literally destroyed our fence, all of our fence down here. And just all the brush that he picked up on it deposited right along our fence line, and that's kind of what we've been cleaning up here. Pan over a little bit and see the pond. And I'll slowly go back to kind of where we were down there and give you a little bit of a view from up here before I say goodbye again. So, and that gives you a good view of the lower rice fields there. And of course, look who's following me. Little likes to walk around with me when I do my walk-arounds all the time on the property here. And I don't mind it. Good exercise for her. And she just likes being close. And like I said, I don't mind that a bit. So I'm going to say goodbye. Like and subscribe. Our videos, like I said, are about gardening and farming here on a 1.5 acre parcel that we call our home in Burgos, Taliban, on the island of Bohol. So say goodbye for now. Thank you.